You guys asked and asked and asked for Ursula's return box break, and here we are. So I'm going to show you guys the hit cards that you can get from a full booster box. Now, of course, each box is going to be different, so it's not guaranteed. So you're not guaranteed to get the hits that I get, but you have that chance or to get better. There's 24 booster packs and 12 cards per booster pack. So let's go ahead and open these up. And let's see, the best way of doing it. It's kind of the same way we do for Pokemon. Now I'm going to show you guys just the hits, but I am doing this pack just to give you an idea of what some of the regular cards look like. So you have an idea. You know, if you're familiar with Lorcana, then you kind of know. You know what? I got another one over here. I'm going to rip this as well and show you guys the hit from 2 booster boxes just to give some variety. Alright, so we are done here. Okay. Wow, so that took some time. Let's go ahead now. These are all going to be this card. I'm not familiar. I'm just a collector of stuff, so I'm not familiar with the symbol, legendary maybe. So these are all going to be those symbols. Some foil, some not. I'm very big into One Piece, Pokemon, and V-Friends. And I like collecting sealed of Lorcana. I just haven't actually studied Lorcana to know. Which I need to. I need to get on that, guys. But I do like their cards, which is kind of why I got into collecting Lorcana sealed. Again, I collect it sealed, which is why I don't really know much about the cards, because I didn't study them. It's hard enough to learn all the One Piece, the Pokemon, and the V-Friends. V-E-E, friends, all one word. Alright, so that is that. Next up, we have these gold sealed cards, which obviously there wasn't many of these, so we had more of all the others. So I'm guessing these might be a little bit more on the rare side. And look at this, foil gold. Foil and a non-foil. There's another foil. And those are the golds. Or, I guess they're golds. I'm just, you know. Next up is this. It's like bronze, like a bronze color. So there's quite a few of these. It's got some foils on there. Some of these sideways cards. I'm sure there's a correct term. The wall, that's kind of cool. Another foil. Grotto. Ooh, foil. Let's go. Snuggly Duckling. A lot of these I don't know. I haven't watched Disney for a long time, so I mean, I love Disney. It's just as an adult with adult things, it's kind of hard to watch all the stuff that I like. The Underworld. So I'm guessing the foils are what you guys want, and then a foil for like a more rare type symbol. I'm guessing, you know, is my guess is what you guys actually want. Fair amount of doubles, but we did open 2 booster boxes, so this is 2 booster boxes worth. So keep that in mind. I'm going to go through this a little faster until we get to the foils, and I'll slow up a little bit. So that's that. And then we have, these are just foils that weren't any of the symbols, so I think maybe common and uncommon. If I had to guess, is what I think these are. Maybe common, uncommon, rare. And there's a lot of foils in here. I mean, in fact, actually these might all be foils. I think I put all these symbol foils together. They're all kind of the same type of foil. It's a great set if you guys are into Lorcana. I've opened up every set so far, and it's a great set. I'm not sure if I have a favorite yet, but so that is from 2 boxes. And then of course all these, I guess, I don't know if you'd call them puzzle piece cards. Tons of them from 2 boxes.